Shalom, shalom, brothers and sisters. Our Congregation Beit D.C.B, also known as Beit D.C.B, is hosting our second annual Unity Weekend. Come and join us once again for a day of celebration to the Most High. Unity Shabbat, Kwoom, we must rise. Israel, we must rise. We're at Restoration Plaza under the big tent, 1368 Fulton Street, Brooklyn, New York. Once again, we're at Restoration Plaza under the big tent, 1368 Fulton Street, Brooklyn, New York. When? On May 26, 2018. Once again, when? On May 26, 2018. Memorial Day weekend. Start time, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Once again, start time, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Please be prompt. For more info, please feel free to contact us at 347-622-9090. Once again, 347-622-9090. There are many specially invited guests, so you won't want to miss out. Don't forget to bring the entire family out so that they can have a day of enjoyment and praise to the Most High. Last year, we had a great time meeting family, meeting new family, meeting family that we haven't seen for years. So Israel, come out and enjoy yourself. Come out and give the glory to the Most High. Come out and give the upliftment to the name of the Creator amongst Israelites from different places, from different states, from different countries. So Israel, come out and support. Once again, we're at Restoration Plaza under the big tent, 1368 Fulton Street, Brooklyn, New York. When? On May 26, 2018. That is the Memorial Day weekend. Start time, 11 a.m. sharp. 11 a.m. sharp, Israel. Please be there on time, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. For more info, please feel free to contact us at 347-622-9090. Once again, 347-622-9090. Come out and enjoy yourself. Come out and be with your brothers and sisters. Come out and praise the Creator of heaven and earth. And come out and just have a good time and uplift in the name of the Most High. Once again, that number is 347-622-9090. You can also reach out to us on Facebook at @Kakmabina. Once again, at @Kakmabina. Or on Instagram at Kakmabina. On Instagram at Kakmabina. Or you could donate to us if you'd like to on PayPal at info@BeitDCB.org. info@BeitDCB.org. Or you can reach out to us through our YouTube channel, DCB channel. Shalom, shalom, and hope to see everyone there. Everyone, have a blessed day.